Hi guys, this is Becca, occupational therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner, and today we're going to be talking about how to use a sock aid. So let's get started. So a sock aid is primarily used when you have limitations with bending at your trunk to bend down to put your socks on or bring your foot up towards you to put your sock on. So take your sock aid, place it in your lap, in between your legs or up against your belly, basin facing down. Place your sock on your sock aid. Heel is going to be on the bottom. Slide the sock onto your sock aid. Pull all the way down so you have a nice opening for your toes, but your sock is not going to be going past the strings. Second step, drop your sock aid down onto the floor while holding onto the strings. If your strings seem like they're too long, you can wrap them around your hands. Third step, put the sock on. So slide your foot inside of the sock aid, point your toes all the way towards the tip, and then pull up and towards your body. And there you have it. If you need to reposition, you can use a reacher or a dressing stick to get it in a good, comfortable position, whatever works for you. And that's how you use a sock aid. If you have any further questions about how to use a sock aid, please check out the comments below for further details.